We at Mindcare provide the services since 2012 related to career programs in counseling. Specialized Professional Services Mindcare Counselling Center PVT. Limited. Awarded by International Achievers Conference on National Economic Development and Social Responsibilities, at nearby. Bharat, Mindcare Counselling Center is NEBOSH's Silver Learning Partner. Mindcare Counselling Center is IOSH approved training provider. IOSH is the world's chartered body and largest membership organization for health and safety professionals. Negative culture. In an organization with a negative health and safety culture, the majority of workers think and feel that health and safety is not important. They are poorly educated in health and safety and see it as unnecessary or interference. There is a lack of clear direction and leadership from senior management. Managers do not think about health and safety in their decision-making and so let other priorities, such as short-term profit, dictate their actions. Workers behave unsafely, often because they do not know any better.